Hello guys and welcome back to another video on Tutorial Guru. Today we're going to be teaching you how to fix your issue of Spotify not downloading music. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Spotify application on your mobile. Now, to have this feature of Spotify downloading your music onto your phone, you must be subscribed to the premium version of Spotify. If you aren't subscribed to the premium version of Spotify, you will not be able to download your music. However, if you have the Spotify premium and you're still not able to download your music, here's what you're gonna do. Go ahead to the home section and tap on the top corner on your profile icon. Now simply tap on settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, scroll down and you'll be able to see the download option. Now make sure that download using cellular is turned on. So even if you're not connected to your Wi-Fi, you can download using your cellular data. If this is turned on, you're connected. If this is turned on, you're connected to your cellular data or your Wi-Fi, but you're still not being able to download your music. Here's what you're gonna do. Go ahead and if you scroll down enough, you'll be able to see the option of clear cache. Tap on it and tap on clear cache. Now go ahead and long press on this application, tap on app info, tap on force stop. Confirm that you want to force stop this application by tapping on OK. If you see the clear data option over here, you can clear cache from here as well. Tap on OK to confirm that you want to clear cache. If you do not see the clear data option, go to storage under your settings and you'll be able to see this option. Tap on clear data, tap on clear cache, tap on OK to confirm that you want to clear cache. Now go ahead and reopen your Spotify application again. Now your issue should be fixed, and this is how you can fix your Spotify's issue of not downloading music. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.